Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Magento sample data. So let's head to the terminal and let's make sure that we're in developer mode. We are. Now we're going to run the bin Magento sample data deploy command. It's going to ask for our username. And if we head back to our access keys, copy the public key and copy and paste the private key. It'll ask us if we want to store. Yes. And all we have to do now is just wait. This might take a while, so please be patient. So we pulled in the composer packages for our sample data. All we have to do now is run bin Magento setup upgrade. Again, this might take a while, so grab a brew and come back. At this point, we're done. Let's refresh the browser and see our website. And that's it. We've got our sample data. If you scroll down, you'll notice some of the catalog images are broken. We're going to fix that in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.